Hi, I'm Lina from Lodgify, and I will show you in this video how Zapier can be used to automate certain processes outside of Lodgify and save you valuable time. Lodgify's integration with Zapier allows you to connect to hundreds of external apps such as Google Sheets, Facebook, Xero, QuickBooks, Slack, and many more. By setting up Zaps with these external apps, you can automate and optimize processes such as automated booking reports, messages, or invoices. See how a new booked booking in Lodgify automatically sends a message to your reservation team in Slack and creates an invoice in Xero. Or do you want your booking reports to update within seconds whenever a new booking comes in or a change is made in Lodgify? Zapier does it all, and it's really easy. The options are almost unlimited, so check them out, get creative, and make a Zap. If you have any doubts or difficulties, have a look through the articles in our knowledge base, or get in touch with our support team on support@lodgify.com. They will be happy to help.